The most crucial skill for restoring vision. To restore vision in a natural way, it is necessary to keep your eyes as relaxed as possible. From phones and laptops, your eyes are exhausted. It's like the engine in a car. It doesn't need to be overheated constantly at a maximum speed. How do eyes overstrain? A person has spent an hour on the phone. His eyes are tired and he also begins to squint. And the already tense eye muscles get even more strained. Then a person looks into the distance and everything is blurry, and the eye muscles are overstrained and cannot switch into the distance. What to do? It is necessary to monitor the condition of the eyes constantly. For example, in the slightest fatigue, close your eyes and relax them. Or just look out in the window. The eyes will get rest, and after a few minutes you can continue working. At first, to develop this habit, you can set a timer for every 30 minutes and feel your eyes and give them rest they need. By the way, if you want to improve your eyesight naturally, remove spectacles and get rid of myopia, astigmatism or hyperopia, check out my step-by-step proven course Eyesight Academy. Don't miss the discount, the link will be in the description below.